what a beautiful evening. Wait, it's nighttime in Pawtucket already? Yep. I heard that three counties are gonna be affected by the extreme heat and extreme winds. Beep. It's going beep, beep, beep. The National Weather Service in El Paso County, Husband County, and Donna Ana County has issued a heat advisory and high wind advisory remains in effect for three counties because due to the winds are started to be stronger. Pawtucket might be affected by it, but I don't know when. But it might have a chance that natural disasters might happen in the Pawtucket warned area. Please stay tuned for more information on the situation. Beep, beep, beep. Oh great. Now now the winds are going to go higher and higher until it gets windier in those three counties. Ah, are you kidding me? Seriously? I just built a scratch tree society and now it's gonna get destroyed? What about it, Miss Vicky? What? It's made of nothing. Yes it is. 15 worked so hard on it, and if it gets destroyed he has to build it again and again and again. Well that's enough. Another road's coming. Beep, 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 beep. The Natural Weather Service in El Paso County, Husband County, and Donna Ana County has issued an excessive heat watch and high wind watch remains in effect for all of El Paso County, all of Husband County, and all of Donna Ana County. Temperatures in these states in the miles per hour have been going up to 115 degrees and 115 miles per hour. Hazard, deadly winds. Source, radar indicated. Tree damage is likely in Pawtucket due to the high winds that are coming for them. Impact. You're in the impact. You're in a life-threatening situation. You can be killed or because the wind can pick you up. But please stay tuned for more information on this as the situation develops. Beep, beep, beep. Seriously, Texas, Pawtucket is going to be affected by the high winds. Later, an excessive heat warning, high wind warning remains in effect for all three counties due to the high winds and extreme due to the temperatures going up. Beep, 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 beep. The National Weather Service in El Paso County, Husband County, and Donna Ana County has issued a excessive heat warning and high wind warning remains in effect for all of El Paso County, all of Husband County, and all of Donna Ana County. At around at around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard is at around at exactly at 5 p.m. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wait, it's 7 p.m. for us instead of Baby's time. Yeah, Eastern Standard Time. The temperatures in these three counties and the high winds are starting to go a little high. Now they're 125 degrees and 125 miles per hour. Remember, stay inside and do not get caught by high winds. Now three counties are just like Death Valley, but they're expected to reach high temperatures and more high winds within the next few hours or few days. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no. Now three counties are 125 degrees and 125 degrees and 125 miles per hour. That's way too strong. Hold on. There we go. Seriously? Pawtucket is El Paso County is going to spawn natural disasters across this county of Pawtucket. Now we're going to be affected by the tornado soon. As of right now. Wait, are we going to end the part now? New Mexico said. New Mexico, the EAS guy said, yes, but we're going to do one more alert because later, 3 counties have now reached 135 degrees and 135 miles per hour. That's the emergency for 3 counties. Oh, okay. One more alert and then we end the first part. Okay. Let's do it before the video before part 1 ends. Yeah, let's do it. Wait, Simon's still going there? Yes. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. An excessive heat and high winds emergency for all of El Paso County, all of Husband County, and all of Donna County. Temperatures in these 3 counties are finally reaching 135 degrees and 135 miles per hour. This will cause, as a result, El Paso County will spawn a tornado and will be destroying Pawtucket, Texas. A tornado watch remains in effect for all of Pawtucket County. All residents of Pawtucket County are strongly advised to prepare and take shelter. A tornado watch means in favor for tornadoes to spawn. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no! An excessive heat and high winds emergency for all of El Paso County, all of Husband County, and all of Donna County. And now a tornado watch remains in effect for Pawtucket County, which is us. Seriously, Texas, now we're gonna get destroyed and killed. I have a family. Oh no, wait. Oh no, my parents are back. My parents, oh no, they're here too. Vicky said, hello Vicky, how's it going? Am I still grounded? No grounded videos this time. But how's it going? It's good, but 3 counties are under excessive heat warning. Excessive heat and high wind emergency. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gonna spawn a tornado near El Paso County is gonna hit us. Oh no, that's terrible. Babe Short Prosperous said, oh my god. Babes, are you okay? Yes, but the tornado hasn't hit us yet. Oh, that's good. Oh, and one more thing. The tornado doesn't spawn yet. It will be part of the video too. Oh, and thanks for watching. The part 2 coming soon. Yeah, because October's coming, so we have 1 month before we're off. Anyways, goodbye, bye, 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 bye. This is the EAS scenario. Excessive high temperatures and high winds in and 2 counties. Oh wait, we're just gonna put high winds. Hottest temperatures and high winds in 3 counties, and also plus a tornado emergency for Pawtucket because it's gonna spawn soon. They're under a tornado watch, but we're not. Well, New Mexico said. We're not sure the heat wave will spread across the state of Texas, the west side of the state. Well, if it's unknown if they spread or not. But let's continue that in part 2 very soon. Anyways, goodbye. This is the. We gotta prepare for the heat wave. I mean, the tornado. This is the worst day ever. No, no, no. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Saturday number. Boris' mom said, "What's going on?" Your doctor is panicking because the tornado is gonna hit us because due to high winds in El Paso County. Oh no, I'm gonna go with her. Anyways, goodbye. Hmm. This is the worst day ever. Oh come on! My birthday's coming, and I was gonna get ruined tomorrow during the heat wave. I mean, during the tornado. No, no. If my birthday gets ruined, it's gonna be all El Paso County's fault. Vicky Calloway, do not blame on El Paso County. I know you're mad, sad because the tornado's about to hit, but that's not reason for you to blame El Paso County. El Paso County said, "Yeah, don't blame me." Wait, did El Paso County just talk? Yes, I can. Oh, right. We have to end the part now before someone comes. Anyways, this is. Why does these covers always go on? Hold on. Anyways, the end of part 1. See you in part 2. Goodbye. Love you all. Woohoo! Part 2, here we come. Let's move up a little bit. Goodbye. The end of part 1 once again. Whew, that was close. Love you all. Goodbye. See you on part 2 of the EAS Scenario. Goodbye. And have a nice evening. And good night. Also, God bless Pawtucket County. Okay, that's enough, Arizona. Okay. Goodbye. Well, this is it. The heat wave is coming for us. The 3 counties. Anyways, goodbye. The end of part 1.